If you're someone that's thinking about using an Excel spreadsheet to track your recruitment process or build your recruitment business, let me quickly show you a free alternative platform. Where recruitment software can often be expensive, people tend to lean towards free alternatives like an Excel spreadsheet to initially start to manage their recruitment process or build a recruitment business. And this, I guess, can be effective on a small scale, but it gets messy really quickly as your business then starts to grow. So this is exactly why at Giig, we're building a free forever recruitment platform that's going to allow you to start tracking your recruitment process for free and will also help you to avoid getting stuck in that situation at a later date where you've got an Excel spreadsheet with thousands of rows of data in it that ultimately you're struggling to navigate. The free forever version of our platform has no trial period, so you can use it for as long as you need to. And we place no restriction on the number of candidates, jobs, companies, and contacts that you can track. So ultimately, you get free access to the system, which is what makes it a much better alternative when you compare it to using just an Excel spreadsheet. So now let me run you through a screen share where I can show you how to create an account and some of the useful features you can get your hands on inside the free version of Giig.
So before I go into the platform and show you some of the features that are available inside the free forever version of Giig, I thought I'd just quickly show you kind of the homepage that you can first take a look at if you want to kind of understand a little bit about what the platform's about and how it all works. So as you can see here, free forever recruitment software, rated 4.8 by over 100 users on Trustpilot. If you want to check us out on Trustpilot, we do have a page. You can go and take a look at some of the reviews there. You can have a read through to see what some of our users are currently saying. But then to run you through the rest of the page here, all-in-one recruitment platform. So we're trying to give you all the tools inside one account to be able to kind of start to build your recruitment business. It's completely free, so it's free forever. You can get started on the free version. You can use that for as long as you need to. No credit card required, and like we say, trusted by recruiters worldwide. And you can flick through these and take a look at kind of what's in it, what some of the features are that are available in this page. That's all there for you to kind of take a look at. And then we do have the pricing page here. So you can see before you sign up what is in the free forever version. Now, you'll obviously notice we've got the Giig Starter and the Giig Plus packs as well. So you can take a look at those if you want to. But for the focus of this video, I'm going to be looking at the free forever. And like I say, there's no trial period with this one, no credit card required, as you can see down here, to sign up and open an account. So once you've taken a look at all of that, and you're ready to go, you come and click the sign up button here. So once you've hit the sign up button, you'll come through to the registration screen where it will just ask you to enter like your email address and a password. That's all you're going to need to get started with the platform. If you then hit register, the system's going to ask you to confirm your email address. So you're going to receive a confirmation email, and all you have to do is click the button in that to confirm. Once you've done that, that will then bring you back to this screen where you can start to set up your account. So the next stage is just to enter the details on the left-hand side around the setup of the account. As you can see on the right-hand side, we have some of those reviews ticking through. So again, that you kind of read through some of those if you want to, and then you hit let's go. So the final stage of the process is just going to ask you like what package you want to start with. We do give a one-time offer for 3 months that is 55% off of the Giig Plus pack. That's a kind of one-time offer that you get when you first sign up, and as you can see, you can cancel anytime. But like I say, for this video, we're focusing on the free, so I'm going to show you that. If you click continue for free and continue for free, then you are into the account, and like you've seen there in the video, there's no need to provide us with any credit card details. Just all you need is an email and you're kind of good to go. So once you get into the platform, we try to make it as self-serve as possible for you, so you can kind of figure your own way around it and understand what you get in the free version. As you can see, it's started with this welcome to the all-in-one recruitment platform tour. So if I click get started, the system's then going to guide me through what is available to me. And this initial tour is like giving you the insight into the navigation. So you can understand how to work your way around the system, the universal search, the advanced search, connecting your email, some of the stats that we track that you can see in the dashboard here. Everything that I'm showing you right now is all part of the free. And then you've got the tools menu here. And then this last one is the guided tours. So I'll click next, and this guided tours icon is always there. So obviously we've done getting started, and I'm not going to do every tour now because it would be one boring, very long video. But if you wanted to go through them, I say boring. I don't mean the tours are boring. I mean the video would
probably drag on quite a bit, backtracking there. But what you have to do is what you can do is go through all of these. So managing candidates, managing jobs, companies, managing your contacts, linking your email outreach, importing your data, advanced search, and creating your website. So everything that you're going to need to navigate is kind of on the left hand side here or in the universal create button. So this is where you can go to create candidates, jobs, companies, contacts, and lists. And then on the left hand side, you can see here you've got candidates, jobs, interviews, companies, contacts, your careers page, and your website. Now with Giig, where we're building an all-in-one tool, we're trying to give you everything you need to build a recruitment company. So everything from your website and careers page all the way through to the tools you're going to need to manage the candidates, clients, interview processes. We're trying to put it all in one system. And what I'll do now is I will jump through a couple of the key features that you can use as part of the free. So the first one is if you come up to the import option, I'll drag you here first because importing your data is a big part of obviously setting up your CRM, your ATS. And with us, you have the ability to do a mass CV parse where you can drag in up to 100 CVs at a time. And you can also do Excel files as well of contacts and companies so that you can bring those in one foul swoop. And it's like not having to enter each thing manually. So if you've got an Excel sheet with a load of data on it, this is where you come and this is how you drag it onto the platform. To create things individually, I'll just quickly rattle through these. First, create a candidate. It's fairly straightforward. To parse any CV, you kind of just drag and drop it in here and the system will parse it. I'll actually show you what that looks like. So to enter a CV, you simply drop it in and then the platform will start to upload the file for you. The files tend to take between 20 to 30 seconds. And then once this is complete, I'll show you exactly the data that it pulls into the system for you. Cool. So that's now dragged in a CV. And as you can see, it's brought all the core details in. It's not picked up a location in this CV. I think that's because it's not got one on. But if you want to enter a location, you can do. And then that will obviously link and save in the platform. The system will also look for skills. And on top of that, it will write you a summary. It will look for education and experience. So if I click create, you can now see we've got a fully populated candidate card here where the summary has been created by the platform and added in. And then down here, you've got the past experience, education, any certificates that it finds. The CV is also stored inside the platform. So that's there for you as well, alongside any email communication, notes, bits and pieces like that. So while I mention email communication, I'll just quickly show you that with the free version of the platform, you can connect your email so that you can track all of your communication. At the moment, we have the ability for you to connect with via Gmail or Outlook. So if you're a Gmail or Outlook user, you can connect your inbox as part of the free version of Giig so that you can then track all your email communication via the system. Okay, so one of the other things that I wanted to show you is like adding jobs into the platform. So again, with the universal create, you come in and you hit job, you can select what company you want to attach it to, and then you can start to create a job that will then be tracked in the system. So jobs that you track in the system will sit here in the active jobs section. And you can see here that we've got like the careers page. Is this role advertised on the careers page? Yes or no. And every single gig on the free version, every single Giig account comes with a careers page where you can view the careers page. So if I open up this one here, this is find your next career, you can advertise any of the open jobs that you've got. Now with the free version, you can advertise up to 3 job ads at a time and you can rotate those as much as you need to. So like this example here where I've got 4 isn't possible, but you could have these first 3 and you can rotate those as many times as you need to. If I come in to the .NET developer role here, you can then obviously it will pull through all the details of the job that you've entered in so that candidates can apply. Any candidates that do apply to the roles will come into the new applicant section, so they'll drop into there, and you have the ability to share the link by copying it to the clipboard, sharing it on Facebook, Twitter, LinkedIn, and email. So you can share those around as much as you want. For those people that are completely fresh and starting out in recruitment, we also have the ability to create a website. If I click view site, it opens up the website where, as you can see here, I built a very basic website that has an about me section and testimonials. The website builder can build pretty simple, pretty clean one-page websites. It is fully customizable, and inside the
website option here, you have the ability to kind of drag all the different options in, adjust the text. You can even generate content using AI inside of the platform as well. So that is all available as well. With the free version, you don't have the ability to connect to custom domain. If you are interested in connecting your own domain to your website, you have to upgrade to the Giig Starter Pack, which I kind of looked at earlier, but you will have to upgrade to the Giig Starter Pack so that it says website custom domain there and remove Giig branding. So that comes in at $12.75 a month for somebody that's interested in just attaching their own custom domain to their website. But the website will link up with the jobs page as well, so that your careers page and your website will link seamlessly and fully integrate with the platform. Alongside managing jobs through the careers page and the website, we also have the interview section here, which comes with a pipeline. So with the free version of Giig, you have the ability to drag and drop candidates along the pipeline from initially sent to client all the way through to hired. That does come as part of the free version of the system, and any candidates that you do hire will be tracked in this candidates hired, so that you can keep on top of them as and when you are closing off the hires. The dashboard also shows kind of like the deal activity. So any candidates you've submitted, booked in for interview, any that you've hired, and the commission stats are there across the year as well. I've actually gone back through to the hire table, and all of these can be broken down into quarterly, yearly, monthly, and weekly. So you can track your performance. And again, this is all available as part of the free version of our system, and you get the performance for the year over here on the right hand side as well. So I've covered quite a lot. The final thing that I'm going to show you is the advanced search feature, because a big thing that I mentioned at the start of the video is if you're using Excel, you're going to end up with thousands and thousands of rows of data, and it's going to be really hard to filter through that data. And that's the big benefit of using Giig, is that you get the ability to drag your candidates in and then filter those candidates using our advanced search tool. Again, fully available, fully accessible in the free version of Giig. So just to give you an example, you can start to create a Boolean search where you put in the keywords that you're looking for, and you can either choose and or, and you can put as many keywords in there as you want to create that Boolean search. You also have a not option, and you have a salary and location as well. So you can search by all of this, but if I just click search database, the system's then going to pull me up a list of candidates that have the .NET keyword located in their CV or their profile. And if I do one based on location for you, so say that if I go for London and I go for 50 miles, the system's hopefully going to pull up some candidates, and it will then also give you a distance of how close they are to the destination that you put in. So you have the ability to drag all your candidates in here for completely free, and then have the ability to do a Boolean search via location. So if you put in a new job for a .NET developer in London, in this example, you have the ability to pull those candidates up and see exactly how far away they are from the location you've entered. So that is a summary of the free version. I've not covered absolutely everything that you can do, because I could be here for a very long time. But if you do sign up, one of the things that I've mentioned already in this video is you have the guided tours here where you can go through those one by one. And if you do need any help or support, you can reach out to us, ask us any questions. We're happy to help as much as we can to get you set up and to give you something that's going to be a little bit more sophisticated in simply